Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Bruce in Pennsylvania on this Rci-2995dx. Bruce got it ready to go for you. Let's get right to it. First thing you notice, got some beautiful white LEDs here. Replaced the SO239 back here on the back. It was pretty bad off. Put a amp keyer back here on the record jack in the back so you can key your favorite amplifier, and there's a switch on the back here to turn your amplifier on and off. Okay, so let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100-watt slug, about 5 watts all the way down. That way you can run any amp you want, have full adjustability. 40 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 82 watts bird average. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello. About 240 peak watts. Bruce, I hope you enjoy this radio. It was definitely a work in progress. Had to undo a whole lot and redo a lot. It's a lot of surface mount work, but we got it taken care of for you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.